Good morning students and welcome back to your online class. So today in this video we'll be learning about the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2010. If you all are having computer and having this software, you may start working according to the steps which I am going to teach. So let us begin the video. So Microsoft Word is actually an application software which helps you to create a document. It is the part of the MS Office package, and that package contains many programs in which Microsoft Office Word is one of them. So MS Word is one of them, and we are going to learn about MS Office. So there will be quite a little bit difference in the you can say in the look of MS Word 2007 2010. So if you can work on any of these application software, any of the version of it, there will not be any problem. All the options are same, however the look is different. All right, so let us start the practical and see some of the features of MS Word. You can see here I have opened my computer screen. I'll show how you can open the Microsoft Office Word. So you have to go to the start button, click on all programs, and then search MS Office or Microsoft Office into all the programs, and then you will find many programs over here, among which you have to click on Microsoft Office Word. When I will click this, you can see here this kind of software is open in front of us. Now you can see that this software is open in front of us. The first one is the first line, the first bar is known as the title bar of this document. The second is called as the menu bar. Third is called as the standard toolbar, and then fourth one is the formatting bar. So in the title bar you can see that whenever you save your file, it is shown on the title bar, the name is shown on the title bar. Second is the menu bar, which helps you to create or work on any kind of commands. Third is the toolbar, which is the standard toolbar where the shortcuts of some of the menus are given. Fourth one is the formatting toolbar, which helps you to format the document. You can also format from the menus given above. However, these are the shortcuts which make it very easy, and frequently you can click on any option and do the formatting. So these bars you have to remember when you are working on any kind of software. Then comes the ruler, which helps you to adjust anything. You can adjust the ruler, which means it gives the space from the left and the right side. And this is also called as a ruler, which is a vertical ruler. This is the horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. It also helps you to adjust the size in the page before and after ending of the page. Before starting of the page and after writing the last line, you can just adjust that also when your line ends, that how much space you want to give or how much content you want to write here. Alright, जैसे like you give the space in your जिस तरीके से आप स्पेस देते हैं अपने कॉपी में, व्हेन यू हैव स्टार्टेड राइटिंग, यू गिव द स्पेस ऑन द टॉप. कुछ स्पेस दे के बाद में हम लिखना शुरू करते हैं, और एंड में एकदम लास्ट लाइन तक हम नहीं लिखते हैं. वी लीव द स्पेस आफ्टर द लास्ट लाइन or before ending of the last line. So this is how this document looks. Now let us see the find and replace command. So as we have learned today in the class, so in find and replace command we have to write something on the document. So let me first of all write something for you. So I am going to write the definition of the computer. Computer is an electronic machine which helps you. So you can see here I have already written the computer is an electronic machine which helps to process the instructions given by the user. So this is the definition of computer. Now let us find a particular word. It can be anything. Let us find so I'll go to the home tab, go to the top right corner. You can see find is written over here, and control F is also the shortcut which I have told you. So simply you can press control F as well. It will open the find dialog box, or if you want to go through the command, so you can click on it and then you can find a word. So let me find here electronic. So when I write electronic, you just click on the button find next. So when you click find, you can see that electronic word is highlighted. So it means it has been found here, right? So if you want to find anything else, suppose I want to find the word user. So you click on find next. For the user, you need to keep the cursor on the starting of the line. So I'll find this, click on user and then find next. So you can see that user is highlighted. So it means it is found in the word. Now let us see how it can be replaced. So same way you can use the Control H shortcut key to replace, open the replace dialog box, or you can just go and click on the menu also. So in replace you have to write two words, the word which you want to find and by the word which you want to replace it. So now suppose I have found here, I want to find user and then I want to replace it with some other word. So suppose I have written human. So click on replace and then you can see here that user has been replaced by the word human. Suppose whatever you have done that was not satisfactory, again you want to change it to the word user. So again I will go to the same option, replace, and then the dialog box will open again. I will find out the word. Now अब इस time word कौन सा find करेंगे? We will find out the word human. और उसको replace किससे करेंगे? We will replace it with the word user. Click on the replace button. It will be replaced here. Okay, you can see human is found and it is replaced by the word user. Now you must have seen here or noticed that after the replace there is a replace all command button also. So this replace all command button will help you to replace all the words in the document the same word. Suppose human words को document में बहुत बार लिखा गया है, so this replace all will replace all the words human with by the word user. तो सारे जितने भी बार human को यूज़ किया गया word को उसको वो user से change कर देगा. तो अगर एक बार आपको चेंज करना है, if you want to change it once, you can click on replace, and if you want to change it in the whole document every time it has been used, you will click on replace all. Alright, so that's it with find and replace. Now let us see the line spacing option. Line spacing, I have told you that line spacing is the space between the paragraph. So suppose I have written here two lines लिखा है, one line के बाद when you press enter automatically the cursor goes to the next line, right? But even in the next line I want that this space should be less. नेक्स्ट लाइन के और फर्स्ट लाइन के बीच जो स्पेस आ रहा है वो भी और कम होना चाहिए इफ़ यू वांट टू डिक्रीज, और इफ़ यू वांट कि ये और ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी मोर. सो यू कैन गो टू द लाइन एंड स्पेसिंग ऑप्शन, सिंपली select the text which is written in your document. How you will select it? Take your cursor to the starting of the line and then simply drag it to the end, or there are 2-3 options of selecting. You can just simply press Ctrl A. It will also select. And if you want to select it with the help of keys, so you can take the cursor to the top line, to the starting of the line, and press Shift and the right arrow. So pressing right arrow till the time you want this selection to be made. So this is how it can get selected, and then press a right click on it, click on the paragraph option. Now select the line spacing, single or double. Suppose I have selected double. You can see there is a double line space between these two lines. You may select single or 1.15, whatever you like, as given in the option in the paragraph, and that will change the spacing between the two lines. So that's all for today, students. I hope you have understood this. Go through the video very carefully. If you have not understood any of the process or steps, do text me. Till the time, stay safe and happy. Thank you so much.